Hello everyone, welcome to today's session in Quantsapp. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can trade whenever the call sellers or put sellers are trapped somewhere, right? Now before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description, there is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Quantsapp web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools that will help you out in your trading. In the application, we have a video library. So in the video library, we have made multiple videos for you. You can go and watch these videos in your meantime. These videos are available in multiple languages as well. For example, English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil. And based on Pro Plus tools as well as on various strategies. So you guys can watch them, and at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query related to the application or videos, okay, so you can just go in the profile section, and in the support you will get our contact number as well as email ID, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Right, now let's start today's lesson. Okay, so whenever we are talking about futures and options, right, whenever we are talking about futures and options, okay, so mainly what we look into the open interest, right? We look into the open interest. Now open interest are the open contracts, right? We all know they are the open contracts. Okay, now when we are trading in options especially, okay, when we are trading in options especially, so these open interest or these open contracts, okay, so they are usually denoted in the terms of sellers, right? So we usually denote it in the terms of sellers, or you can say the writer. Like the call writer, it can be call writer or it can be a put writer as well, right? So why are we denoting our OI in options, okay, in the terms of sellers? Okay, because the sellers are the one who are working for a limited profit, okay, they are the one who have unlimited risk, and that is why if they are making their position at a certain level, okay, so if they are making their position, for example, this is the level from at which there are approximately 16 lakh call sellers, right? Call sellers who don't want market to go above this level, right? Who don't want market to go above this level, right? So if the market will go above this level, it means the 16 lakh call sellers, so they have their open contracts here, okay, so they will be facing loss, okay, and their loss is unlimited, okay, and if they are sitting at this level, so just assume this level is of 500, right, and currently my market is at 480. So if they are sitting at this level, it means they are having a perception that the market will not move above this, right, till the expiry. It can be a weekly or monthly expiry, okay. Now if my market will move above this, it means now they will face a loss, okay, and then your market can make a very good move in the upward direction, right, because it has already broken a very strong resistance of this 16 lakh call sellers who don't want market to move above this. Okay, so if my market can break this level of 500 and it will sustain above it, it means there is a buying opportunity for me, right? Similarly, this can happen in the downward direction. So for the downward direction, for suppose there is a level of 500, so we will assume there was a level of 400, right? And in the 400 there was approximately same, so there was approximately, you can say, 17 lakh put sellers, okay, 17 lakh put sellers. Right now, put sellers who don't want market to go below this certain level, that is of 400. Now at any point of time, if my market will go from 480 and it will come down, and at any point of time if it will break this level of 400, it means now this open contracts of 17 lakh, okay, so they don't want market to go below this point, right, below 400. But if the market will break this certain level, this strike price, so at that point of time these all will face loss, okay, so they can make their position at 300 now, okay, or if they can exit their position as well, right? So what will happen now? The market will fall, okay, why? Because now the market has broken a very strong support here, right? Now if we want to take a trade, if we want to capture this move, okay, or if I want to capture this move, right, if I want to capture this move, so how I can do so as a buyer, right? So for that there is a tool in the Quantsapp application, okay, named by writer's trap, okay, or it can be call writer trap, it can be put writer trap, okay. So for that we will directly open the Quantsapp application, okay, and in the Quantsapp application we have, in the trading section, you can see there is a trap indicator, okay. So if I open this tool, right? So first of all, you can just search your symbol here if you are having any particular sentiments in a particular stock or particular index. So you can just search that stock here. So if there will be some indication of call writers and put writers, okay, so it will be given here. Okay, then again you can filter it by signal as well. So if currently, if my market is in bullish sentiments, or if my market is in bearish sentiment, right? So accordingly you can just choose your sentiments here as well, right? So currently my market today is in bearish sentiments. Okay, so there is a very good fall in the market as well. So what I'm expecting if the market is falling, okay, so if the market is falling like this, so if my market is falling like this, right, so there must be certain points at which there will be some put writers. Okay, now put writers, they want market to remain below above this level. But if my market is falling, it means if my market will break this level at this point of time, they will face loss, and the market has capability to move more in the downward direction, right? So this is the opportunity that I have to grab here, right? So if the sentiments are bearish right now in the market, so I will go with the put writers trap. It means the sellers who have sold the put, okay, who want market to remain above at a certain points, okay, and the market is falling, so at that time they are facing loss because the market has broken their level, the market has already broke their level. So at that time as a buyer, I will get a profit if I make a trade in the put direction of if I buy a put options here, right? So what I will do, I will just go here, okay, I will just go here, and market sentiments are bearish, so obviously I will go and select put writers trap. You can say put writers trap. Okay, so these are all the signals that my application is currently providing me. Okay, so you can see in the MFSL the signal price was 1119. You can see 1119, that was the signal price, right? What was the date? So it was generated on 1911. Okay, that is my date here, and currently it is at 1170. It means MFSL on the 19th of October, okay, sorry, on the 19th of November actually. So on the 19th of November, it gave me a signal that the put writers are trapped. So if my put writers are trapped, it means there was a certain level, so market broke that level, okay, or now it has the capability to move in downward direction again. So in MFSL, it gave me a signal on 19th November. At that time, the price was 1193. Okay, so that was my opportunity to go and enter in this particular trade, that is my MFSL. Okay, and then you can see currently the closing price is 1170. It means the price fall from there, okay, and currently my price is 1170. Okay, so you can see approximately 23 points I got here if I would be trading with put option. Okay, so as a buyer, I would have taken this opportunity of buying put option here, right? Similarly, I'll see in the Hind Copper. So Hind Copper is currently in the ban list. Okay, so that is why it is showing me in the red color. Let's take another example. So we can see Grasim here. In the Grasim, I can see the price is 25.24. Okay, so this was the signal price when the signal was generated. What was the date? The date was 18 November 2024, right? 2024. So the signal was generated at 2005.24.6, right? What is the current price? So current price is currently 2005.16. Okay, so you can see approximately how many points? So 8 points down my market is in Grasim. Okay, so that is how it will give you an indication. Okay, so whenever there will be a major resistance or a major support where the maximum call writers or put writers are sitting, and whenever my market will break that level, okay, so at that time this will generate signals automatically here, right? Now there is one more catch in this tool. Okay, whenever there will be a signal generated, okay, so it will give you a PV signal also, right? It means you can see the PV here. Okay, so you can see the PV here, the PV. Okay, what this PV is denoting? The PV actually denoting, you can see the PV is denoting you probable buy. It means you can go and buy here. Okay, it means the market will go in the above direction, right? Similarly, because the call writers are trapped, right? So the call writers don't want market to go above a certain level, but if they are trapped, so it means the market will surely go in the upward direction. Okay, so that is why it is giving me a signal of PV, that is probable buy, right? Similarly, at any point of time, if my market will go below Okay, so at that time what will happen? The price will fall. Okay, so I have to be ready to buy the put option. At that time the market will give me a signal of PS, that is probable sell. Okay, that is probable sell. Okay, and whenever there might be some times, okay, when the conditions will not be in my favor. Okay, and at that point of time there will be stop loss hit. Okay, so at that time my tool will give me a signal of PE, that is probable exit. It means the conditions are not in our favor, so if you have taken entry, so you can exit from that particular trade. Okay, so it will also give you a condition of exit as well, right? So this is all three conditions that the tool will provide you, right? Now let's see an example here. So currently it is giving me a PB, yani probable buy in UPL. What was the signal price? The signal price is 547 and the date is 21 November. Okay, so this is a fresh signal that has been generated right now, and that is why I can see there is a 0% return. But let's see UPL how at which price it is trading currently right now. So let me open UPL now. Okay, so in the analyze I will open UPL from here. So let's see where UPL is trading right now. UPL. Okay, so this is the chart of UPL, and you can see currently it is trading at 561. The closing price is 560 or 561. Okay, so in the trap indicator, if I again apply call writer's trap. Okay, so I will just type UPL. Just a second. PB, call writer's trap PB. UPL. So it gave me a signal price of 547. You can see 547 on 21st of November. That was yesterday, right? So today it gave me a signal on 547 that the put writers are tracked probable buy, and currently I have shown you it is trading at 560, right? Approximately 13 points above from the signal price, right? So that this is how it will give you an indication that you should go and buy. Right, you should go and buy. So this signal will be generated automatically. So you can see there are 4 stocks. Okay, you can confirm them in your chart as well with multiple support and resistance and volume as well, right? So that will be a confirmation, but it will give you indication. So you just have to go with the market. If the sentiments are bullish, okay, at that time you can just go with the call writer's trap, probable buy signal will be there for you. If the market sentiments are bearish, at that time you can just go with the put writer's trap. So in put writer's trap there will be probable sell as well, right? So I'll show you in the put writer's trap. Just a second. In the put writer's trap, you can see put writer's trap probable sell. It means these are the stocks which are capable to go more in the downward direction. So in the PFC, if I'll see in the PFC again, let's take some example. So in the PFC, the signal price was 432. It was generated yesterday at 432. Let's see where the PFC is trading right now. Okay, so let me go to the chart. Okay, and we will apply PFC here. We will apply PFC here. PFC. Okay, PFC. So PFC, you can see PFC. So it gave me a signal on 432. Okay, and currently, just a second. So it gave me a signal of 432. And currently, what was the low of today? So currently the low of today was 428, and again my market is approximately at 446 right now, right? But you can see currently it is giving me a very good signal that the market can again go in the bearish direction. So I can stick to the tool, okay, stick to the signal until it gives me an exit signal, okay, because the tool has the capability that it can give me an exit signal as well, right? So if my market will go against my sentiments now, so at that time the tool will give me an exit signal. So currently it is not giving me, it means I can just hold on to this trade right now. Okay, so from 432 the PFC gave me a signal, okay, that it will go in the downward direction, so I can wait and hold this position for now, right? So this is how the trap indicator will give you the real time, or you can say not in real time but after the market. Okay, so you can just go and make your position after the on the very next day, you can say, right? So I hope the concept is clear. I hope how you can use the tool indicator efficiently. Okay, so you got an idea about that. So I hope the video was useful to you. Okay, you got to know something good today. If you like the video, you can share your views in the comment section as well. You can share this video with your friends, with your relatives, and make sure to subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.